Hello family, I hope you are doing great because I'm doing amazing. And this is gonna be, I'll say, the part 2 of the vlog. So in this video, it is when we're gonna be cutting baby Dayo's hair. So right now we're done with the unboxing stuff. Right now we're gonna pick him from daycare and we're going to the supermarket to buy some ice cream because we have to buy ice cream in order to keep him busy while they are cutting his hair. And his uncle is going to be doing the cutting, and while his dad and I were just going to be there trying to play with him. Yes, so yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's go. So right now guys, we are going to bring baby Dayo from daycare, and it's not really actually long. It takes like, is it 5 minutes with the car? 3 3 minutes. 3 minutes with the car, and walking it's like 10. It depends how fast you are. So guys, we are already here at Dayo's school daycare. I don't know why I keep saying school.
Yeah.
I always call Dayo's school. I always say Dayo's school is daycare.
Okay.
But it's just like school because they learn.
No, it's a daycare.
Baby, they learn.
Yeah,
Like in Swedish they say förskolan, kindergarten. No, kindergarten, daycare.
Daycare, yeah. I think kindergarten, daycare.
Baby, you said 30, 20, it's still 16. So we are waiting for the time.
We don't need to wait.
You just told me we have to wait.
No, we don't need to wait.
So baby, you don't lie during the day. You lie at least at night. So we're here, but we're not allowed to film here at Dayo's daycare because of the kids' safety. Yes. Baby Dayo is eating. He's so tired. No, Sal is eating. Dayo, it's only one that is remaining. Papa, the goat. High five. Hey. Dayo, tunaenda kata nywele zako. Dayo, hold. Tunaenda kata ya. Krrr. Yeah.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this wrong, turn it to an ocean.
High five. High five. Bravo.
Do you feel? Choo! Yeah! Dayo! This handsome! Achoo!
Achoo.
Achoo! Yeah. Hello family, this is another beautiful day. Yeah, today is Thursday and my sister Dorcas is here. She's gonna be fixing my hair. I don't know why you guys can't see it properly, but yeah, because it's gonna be braiding my hair, and I'm super excited because I want to braid before Dayo's party. So yes, Dayo.
He's looking handsome already.
Dayo.
Before the party.
Yeah, still have again to fix your hair, baby boy. So you have to teach me how you guys do those things.
They're not easy. You need to be pulling some.
I feel like I always destroy them, something like that.
But I got to learn from Easter.
I've tried, but it doesn't work. Dayo! Hey!
So, Mama, how do you do it? You
Like this?
don't touch hard. Unakamata like you.
I don't touch hard. If I don't touch hard, vitaribika vyote.
Jesus. Nee, unakamata like a little hard. So. Sasa unakuwa sama una separate so hard like una separate first so.
Separate first so.
Excess unakuwa na kokota kama. Usikamate hard kujifunga na koma out.
Guys, I did a great job. See? Doc has taught me how to do these things, eh? Now I'm good at doing this, preparing the breads. Now I did it. So
everybody, job applications.
So guys, right now we just took a break from fixing my hair because I have a job meeting that I have to go to right now, and it's gonna take like 1 hour. So, but so far this is how the work is. Tokas is doing an amazing job. Thank you. And baby Dayo is sleeping right now, so Tokas is gonna be here with baby Dayo while I'm at this job meeting. And yes, no problem. No problem, we go manage. Ooh. It's another beautiful day. I mean, we slept well. Guess what, guys? Today it's gonna be a busy day for us, but we thank God. Yesterday Dorcas was able to finish my hair. We just have to drop them in warm water so that we get them curls. You feel me? But that one is gonna be the last process. But today is gonna be a long day for us. But guess who is here, guys? Rachel is here. We have already started with Rachel's hair right now. Dorcas is doing Rachel's hair, and baby Dayo is there. He's taking his milk. I mean, it's gonna be a lovely day. We're gonna be decorating, and guess what, guys? Rachel bought me some cookies. Rachel bought us, actually, not only me. Rachel bought us some cookies. Like, guys, she's a professional in baking now. Just look at these cookies. Rachel baked them, guys. Look at them, they're so yummy, and I'm gonna be eating those cookies with this yogurt here. So this is so good.
Without knowing,
you're speaking in satanic tongues.
I'm going with you.
You're not going with me. Unaongea satanic tongues. Ndio zile macodes.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
We're now going to buy stuff,
people don't understand.
but I'm not feeling my best. I'm sick. Imagine, guys, this is not good.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room
You couldn't take criminal offensive. Criminal offensive.
Il faut toi les here la vague criminal offensive.
Criminal offensive.
And then we have Dockers. They are teaching Dockers TikTok. Rachel. And then Jemima.
Me, I didn't do good.
Hey Dayo.
Dayo doesn't wait for nobody.
Yeah, they have to say that. Guys. Okay, bon appetit, baby.
Oh, you're gonna smell, baby.
Bon appetit, Dodo.
Thank you.
Dodo, where are you going? We're supposed to get the one without spicy.
Give me your spicy. Get it, go for it.
Jelly, bon appetit.
Had you left him and fix that you love married?
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake.
So guys, after a long day of pumping the balloons, this is how so far we are doing with the decoration. I'm super excited how everything is looking. I mean, we lost Dayo's Sanko balloon stand, but we got the plan B. Me and my siblings, we are just amazing. I'm super proud of ours because look how we did that decorations. I mean, you can book us. And this is the happy birthday clothes that I ordered from Shane, and this other decoration, I had them in the house, but I'm super excited how things are. I can't wait for the day tomorrow. So that's how everything is looking. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, right? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I look tired, I know. Bye bye.